There's the young one that comes, looks at me, t-shirt up, and I tell him it's okay, it's alright, and he reads me. Maybe not with my voice and my words, but by the senses that he sends from me and the feelings that he gets. It's okay. Focus. Yeah, the young one. And they're so comfortable here. Isn't it nice? The big ones are somewhere there on the right, but that's a young one. That's a baby. Beautiful, isn't it? And they all have some kind of a pinkish colors on them. The new generation of deer. Oh dear. You know, when you say, oh dear, it's either bad or good. It's either, oh dear, the surprise, or it's like, oh dear, something else. But enjoy. It's the nature, and we have to be a part of it at every moment that we have. In living, experiencing, learning, and most importantly, yes, even raise your hand, behaving. Follow the altruism. You can look at the dictionary and definition of it, but for as long as you follow altruism, you'll be fine.